Hello and welcome to our channel. For today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off age restrictions on YouTube. Before we get started, please don't forget to like and subscribe and click the notification bell for you to be updated to our latest tutorial videos. Without further ado, let's now begin. Let's turn off age restrictions on YouTube. Now, if you're under 18, there's potentially will be age restrictions, or if you just have feature toggled on, you will be restricted in terms of what kind of content you can see, which videos you can see, what types of comments you can see, all of that stuff. I'll show you how to turn it off. So let's hop into YouTube, and we're going to tap on our profile icon at the top right. Now let's tap on settings towards the bottom here. And you can see the second option. We'll choose general. You can see midway down is restricted mode, which will essentially restrict the type of content you can see. It says this helps hide potentially mature videos, so you can just toggle that off. And now you will not have any restriction in terms of what type of content you can see on YouTube. Keep in mind though, you might not be able to turn this off if your birthday is under 18. If you're under 18, then just need to wait till you're 18. But if you're older than 18, you can just turn this off. Then potentially Google just has the wrong birthday when you sign up for Google or YouTube account. So you can check that. Let's hit the back button at the top left. Back again. And then tap on the profile at the top right again. Now let's tap on the manage your account. And it will pop up with your Google account at the very top. You can see this is my specific account. Make sure this is the one that you want to be browsing YouTube videos. And make sure this is the one that basically you want to turn that restriction off. Now we can tap on personal info right here. And you can see towards the bottom is birthday. So all you have to do, if that's not the right birthday, if you're over 18 and it says you're not over 18, you can just tap on that and edit your birthday in here to be the correct one. And then you should be able to turn that restricted mode. If you find this video helpful, leave a thumbs up, share it to your friends, and hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon in the next video.